let's unbox this jumbo bucket of crystal slime together. So this is a large bucket of slime. It is a do-it-yourself. So this is fun for everybody. We have some mica powder. That's gonna look really cool in there. All different sorts of stuff. Super cute. And there's even more in here. And then for the real star of the show, we have our big bucket of slime. So what I will probably do with this is take out like a scoop at a time and let my kids put it in a bowl, and then make it in there, mix it in. I know what they're gonna wanna do. They're gonna wanna throw all of this into there. If you're cool with that, that'd be super fun for your kids to take it out and then put it into these little cups. But there's so many different things that we can do with this. My kids will actually probably enjoy just playing with the slime on its own for a little bit, and then we'll add in the other stuff. Super excited to use this. I love doing these with my kids, especially my daughter loves slime so much. So this is gonna come with the clear slime and then a bunch of other fun things. So let's see what is in here. All right, right at the top, we have our instructions. This is just gonna tell us what to do and what's included. Okay, let's see. So we have all these different tops and cups to make our own slime. All of these different, wow, fun colors. Nice and bright of the clay. Then we have, this is my favorite part, the accessory bag. So we have all sorts of little goodies in here, little heart slices, glitter, we have some beads, we have some sprinkles. What else do we have in here?